It is a remote volcanic archipelago, home to fearless and unique creatures found nowhere else on Earth. A living laboratory that inspired one of the most important scientific theories in history. These are the Galapagos Islands. First, the islands belong to the country of Ecuador. Although they are located in the Pacific Ocean almost 1,000 kilometers (600 miles) off the coast of South America, the Galapagos Islands are a province of Ecuador. Next, they are the place that inspired Charles Darwin. In 1835, a young Charles Darwin visited the islands. He observed that the local finches and tortoises were slightly different from island to island. This observation became a key piece of evidence for his groundbreaking theory of evolution by natural selection. Many of the animals have no fear of humans. Because the islands have been isolated for so long with very few natural predators, the animals, such as sea lions, marine iguanas, and birds, have not developed a fear response to humans, allowing for incredibly close encounters. This is a wonder of unique, localized evolution. But our next is a wonder of mass movement, the largest overland migration on the planet. Next time, we witness the Great Serengeti Migration. To see the herds move, make sure you're subscribed. The islands are home to the only marine iguana in the world. The Galapagos marine iguana is the only lizard on Earth that has adapted to a marine lifestyle, diving into the cold ocean water to feed on algae. Finally, the island's name comes from their most famous resident. The name Galapagos is an old Spanish word for saddle. Early explorers named the islands after the giant tortoises they found there, as the shape of some of their shells resembled a Spanish riding saddle. Let's see if your knowledge has evolved. The Galapagos Islands inspired which famous scientist to develop his theory of evolution? The name Galapagos comes from an old Spanish word for what object? The islands are home to the only lizard in the world that does what? Let me know your answers below.